Huwag kayo mag-alala mami yung mga pictures nila. Sasend ko na lang po sa gagawin ng GC natin. Ayan no? Hindi. Later magpapakilala si ate. Kids, yung mga bago, wag po muna natin silang iumo para may available seats kayong iba. Sino? Ako.
Are you okay?
Ayan. At may available seats na dito sa likod.
May isang ali doon, nakapost pa. Nakapost, Pasok na ate kayo. Ha? Doon, ask kung saan ka upo. Go inside na ate Kyra.
Okay, kids, so meron na po tayo ng seats.
Nakang ganda-ganda mo. Go inside na, faster. Wait for the clip, ate. Uy, ang behave naman eh. How about the cup? Okay? Say okay. Yeah. Okay, magtatanong siya. Oh, ask ate, where are you going to sit?
Okay, kids. Yung bag natin na nilalang natin sa iyan.
Sit down na.
Ayan. Put down your bags. Okay.
Yara.
Atin kayo mag-ati, Kiara.
Yung name niya, Yara ha.
Oo, Kiara.
Baka makonfuse eh. Nagya ay.
Ayan, mali si Ate Princess. Grabe na.
Sa balita dito yung kay.
Kiara. Ayan. Listen na kayo kala teacher ha.
Okay. So, thank you, Mommy and Daddy. So, syempre, ang ating gagawin is meron tayong English trainer. Nagpa-pray ba tayo? Nagpa-pray ba kayo? Bakit hindi? Nagpa-pray muna tayo bago tayo mag-start. So, syempre, please tayo muna tayo. Stand up.
Nakikita mga kids natin natin yan, nag-bring lang ba sila?
Ganda niya.
Yes, magaling po sa wala sa Kuya Robin. Yung alam ko na. Ayusin ko muna yung kapibot natin. Para marami tayo.
Ayun, ang ganda.
So, paayos na lang Kuya Robin. Ayan, so magbigay tayo ng common space. Ayan, so mag-spread out tayo kids para hindi tayo magkaroon na. Okay. And kaya namin nagsasabi ng ating news here.
umaga na naman, napupuno naman yung mas dito naman tayo, happy Hanan. Ay, parang where your school? Tama ba?
What's name daw
Your
ng
school is
mo?
where?
What is the name of your school, Maria? What? John?
Ano to ang pangalan ng school?
How about Tanya? Same school? Oh, what is your name of your school?
Living life.
Oh, yes. Okay, ano po ka dito? Saan si Karen to? Opo ka, sige. Inunahan na kita. Napakaliit mo. Pasundan mo. Pasundan. Ayan. Ibaba mo muna yung bag mo. Nasa si Alex. Wala pa. Naka-edge na. Tama yung lagay ka na maliliit sa unahan niya. Hindi. Sino ba yung tatanong? Si Kylie. Saan ka nag-school, Kylie? Si Jace? Kung ano yan? Child Jesus. Ayun. Pasensya na, hindi pa ako pamilya. Ay, si Sky. Saan nag-aaral si Sky? Child Jesus. Then, si Si Kiara. Saan nag-aaral si Kiara? Hihindi ka na naman. Si CJ. Si Tyra din si CJ. Sa lahat din si CJ. Si Gian sa ano daw. Si Man sa Pride. Si Gian sa Lungsad.
Sa MC ka pa nag-MC.
Ano yun? Ano MC?
Sige na, sige na.
One more. Dance. Oh.
Alam mo yung pumasama na. Yeah, mas kayo lang.
Let's freeze!
Hindi sabihin mo lang gagalaw.
Oh.
Get ready.
Okay, grab. One. Ha. 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 One more. Yes.
Go, Kiara, hop.
Ha.
There you go. Hop, hop, hop. Iwan na natin.
Hey, ma'am, nag-gilis na naman.
Excuse me now.
Ako rin.
Akala mo naman, magaling na yung magsulat.
Okay, go back to your seat muna. Draw something more. Alex, draw something. Papipilihan natin. Ready? What is this? Ant. Ito. Like ant. Very good. Draw something. Use your imagination. Ano kayo ba yun? What is this?
Pakinig ka muna doon.
Ay, pwede si Papi na joke siya. Let's go.
Pinapakita rin kaya lahat yan.
Ayan na, meron ka pang mag-draw na. So, very
Ngayon,
good.
sabi ko ano, sabi niya,
Ayan, sino pa? Si Alex, where's your drawing
ikaw
Alex?
magaya din niya. Ang laking ant dito.
Saan? Ayan.
Ayan, kinamera mo.
Natatawa natin, okay? Ayan. Okay, okay. Yan.
Pero mo nakikinig sa kanya yan eh. Nakikinig eh.
Ayos. Pagkain. Ashley. What is this? Right?
Pag sinabing upo, upo siya.
He's a human. Draw more. Ano? Si Sky.
Sino?
Rafael. I'll something with him.
Ang dami yung pinapapirmahan.
Flowers. I'll draw flowers. Gia, draw something. After ito, mag-eating time na tayo pag napasok na lahat ng brush natin. Alex, come here. Go back to your seat naman, Alex. Shake mo. Shake. Ganun mo. Shake. Yes po. Later sila for the last batch. Go. More. The other one. Okay, very good. Alright, good. Go. One more. What is that? Ant. Okay, another ant. Kagaya na drawing ka ng ano, ng flowers. Nasa ba?
Sa ba? Is that it?
Oh, yung mali. Wait lang, tingnan natin. Okay, first is correct.
Picture ka kaya, picture. Where's baby?
Sige lang po, sir. Ano? Matagal naman sila.
Ano na? Pwede na ako order.
Ano ma'am, pagdaan niyo pa po dun para maririnig ka nila. Picture daw kayo. Smile! Kuya Sky!
Ate, hindi to.
Well, 1, 2, 3. Kaya, wait lang. Bubuhatin ka niya. Bubuhatin ka ni ma'am. Oh, let's wait for Daddy, okay? Kayong dalawa ni Ate. Ni Kuya Sky. Tayo na ka na. Picture tayo.
Picture again. 1. Guys, see you later. What? Abutin. Ganda naman, oh. Pagwagin kita. Kasi thank you. Love you.
Babay na kayo kay Daddy.
Bye. Bye. Asan yun? Saan si baby?
Baby, pagkulitan sa Ay,
Oh, bahala ka. Kain muna kami. Bye, guys. Ay. Bye. Hello?
Can I order something?
Can I order something?
Can I order something?
I want coffee float.
Can you hear me?
Is this Sky?
Yes.
Ah.
Chicken, burger chicken. Ano ba yun?
Yung burger chicken. Yung sandwich.
Chicken sandwich.
Large fries and drinks.
Yes.
Large orange juice.
Yes.
And then 4 apple pie.
And then for apple pie.
And then, ano nga yung, ano, vanilla ba yun?
Yung McFlurry with Oreo, available? Okay, oh, available siya? Ay, hindi. How about Coke float, available? Ay,
Yung may
hindi.
vanilla, ano tawag doon? Yung creamy, ano ba yun?
Alin?
Yung in-offer sa atin.
Yung may vanilla? Coffee vanilla ba yon? Available? Okay, isa nun. Okay, large. Tapos, yung pepper steak with egg. Without fries and drinks, ha?
One piece mushroom pepper steak.
Sa'yo, cookie sa akin.
The chicken sandwich, large fries orange juice, large vanilla, 1 large pepper steak, 1 apple pie.
Four apple pie.
I think he said 4. $5.8.
Okay.
daw.
Thank you, love you. Love you.
Yeah.
Aba.
What's your order po?
All of you.
Oh, bibili ka lang ni Daddy. Sabi ko, your total is 548 po. O, ikaw, Ate Kay, your total is 548.
548.
O, smile kayo, smile.
Oh, smile daw, smile.
1, 2, 3. Eh, sino yun? Daddy ba yun? O, ay, di siya 1,000 po. O, wait lang, may pinose ko bakit sa pera.
Tulala ka. Oy.
Kasi starstruck siya sa'yo.
Ah,
Abot mo kay Daddy, please, mag-isip po.
thank you. Ganda naman ng ano ko, cashier ko, oh. Thank you.
Kahit na lang po sila. Ay, okay naman. Eh, nandiyan na pala yung order.
Ah, yan, yan.
Okay para
Bilis, ah.
iabot.
Sino ba yan? Sino dati yan? What's your order daw?
Lahat. You. Ikaw. Food.
Can I order
Uy,
you?
ang ganda naman ng isa niyan.
Kuya, kayo nag-order sa inyo.
Oh, kaya nga may love you pa sa dulo eh.
Oh, dito, Daddy, dito.
Pwede ko na.
Bye guys, see you later.
Daddy, Daddy.
Uy,
Abutin mo.
Ang ganda naman oh.
Huwag mo agad dito.
Thank you, love you.
O, sige, babay na kayo kay Daddy. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Asan yan? Saan si baby?
Baby, nilipad ko dito sa Ay,
Oh,
happy
bahala ka, kain muna kami. Bye guys. Ay. Bye. Iyak yan.
Okay. Kahit hindi kami gutom.
Kailangan namin bumili.
meron naman na kayo. Let's go, Kiara! Oh, what's that?
Go. Landa Mambiano, Dayan Biano, Wajan Wajayano, Wajan.
Say bye, okay?
O, dali, try mo na yan. yung pre-practice. Okay, so Kuya Robinan, pa-ready na ang ating dance. Okay, kids, ganong set up ulit yung mga babies sa unahan, yung mga ate sa likod. Ayan, so ready na ba kayo? Nakabisado nyo ba ang ating Ronald dance? Totoo ba? O sige, later makikita natin kung sino ang nag-practice at sino hindi.
Kaya tawag ka.
May tawag ka ng teacher. Tawag ka ng teacher.
The Ronald Dance! Woo! Yeah, it's time to do the Ronald Dance. Learn the steps. You will achieve the joy when the instruction friends. Great! So, what we will do is, 1, we want you to listen to the step-by-step instructions and follow it again to do the steps so you can dance it. 2, we will play the song. You can follow the steps and dance along with us. 3, which is the most important of all, remember to just have fun because that's what the Ronald Dance is all about. It's a happy dance!
Kids, the first step is step apart, hands on your side, jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out. Did you get it, kids? Let's continue to the next step. Okay. Raise your right hand and tap your shoe. From left, tap your shoe. Okay? Now, kids, let's do the wiggle, wiggle, wiggle to your left side. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle to the left side. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Now, kids, let's fly. Put your hands in the air. Fly to your right, to the left, to your right, to your left. Good job. Now, kids, let's do the next step. Raise your right hand and point to your left shoe, to your left, and point to your right shoe. And spin to your left, and spin to your right. And let's go.
Tawag ka ng teacher. It's okay, don't worry.
Oh my gosh, Kitty Crew, that was fun! We'll do the Ronald again tomorrow, where you can show up those amazing moves and grooves, Kitty Crew!
Okay, ayan. So, parang pag naman po sa mga kids natin. Ayan. So, nakabisado naman nila Ate Yan ang kahit paano yung ating mga routines. 3, go!
Tatlo yan. Sino ang maiiwan? Sino ang hindi?
Saan pupunta? Hindi, 3. Isang kids, isang adult. Sorry. Okay, 1 parents and 1 kids. Magkasama kayo sa bilang. Okay, so isa lang ang bilang nyo. Okay, sorry na. Pasensya.
Ano ba yan?
The poet is singing! Prove yourself into... Wait lang! 3, go!
Ayan. So, nagbe-best friend talaga si Julian sa si Kuya Sky.
Oo, sila talaga. Simula nung una pa lang. And now, fall in line and find your height.
Bali yung mga babies.
Dalawang pila po. Isang right, isang left. Fall in line and find your height. Go! Ayan, so ganito. Tama po siya. Bari tatlong grupo, dito po ang line. Yung isang grupo naman po, dito po ang line. Ayan. Ayan, okay na po ba? Ano nangyayari sa kabila? Okay, and now, backward po tayo ng onte, mga ma'am. Backward ng onte. Okay, and now, bibigyan ko po kayo ng 10 seconds para mamili ng group name na related sa McDonald's. Okay? Group name na related sa McDonald's. Go!
Harang naman ang harang to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, tapos na. Ano po ang group name niyo na related kay McDonald's? Grimace! Okay, may team Grimace na tayo. How about the other group? Ano po ang team niyo? Ano po? Marian. Okay, team McDonald's and team Grimace. Okay. So, na yung mga kids muna natin. Go back to your seat muna. Ayan, okay. Kiara, come here. O, sit down ka muna dito, Kiara. Kiara, come here. Okay na po ba? Okay, and now, sasabihin na po ni Kuya Rob ang mechanics ng teams natin. Siyempre, with Ate Yana. Ayan. So, Ate Yana, kami here. Ituro mo na sa kanila. When I say, dribble, ganyan po ang dribble. Exhibition. Paano exhibition? Ayan. Okay, one more time. Hindi, pwede naman ganito. Dito na lang. Dribble, exhibition. Okay, so magkabilang bewang na lang. Okay, one more time. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 2. So may number po kayong lahat, okay? Si number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, when I say dribble, exhibition, ate, bigyan mo na yung cup sa kanila. Ate Yana, bigyan mo na yung cup sa kanila. Okay, practice nila. No. Okay, go back to your line. Okay, later. Practice. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 2. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 3. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 4. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 5. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 6. Come here. Kaya lang kami na. Ayaw niya na sumunod sa akin. Okay. So, ganun po tayo, ha? At, when I say shoot the cup, kung sino po ang huling may kapet, or kung sino ang may last touch ng Happy Meal box, siya. Practice ba team Grimace? Team McDonald's, practice, and 1, 2, 3. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 2. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 3. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 4. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 5. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 6. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 3. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 2. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 4. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 4. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 4. Plus the number 4. That's the number 4. Okay. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 5. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 2. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 1. Si Tanya, kumakita pa si Tanya. Okay, dribble, exhibition, plus the number 6. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 2. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 5. Go! Okay, ayan. So, parang muna sa team. Team Grimace, kayo ang 1 point. So, parang tayo sa Team Grimace.
Wow, 1 point pa lang. Ano yan?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and... Wala pa. Mabilis, ha? 1, 2, Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 4. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 6. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 6. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 6. Dribble, exhibition, plus the number 5. Dribble, exhibition, plus Shoot the cup! Okay! So, ang mapunta sa team McDonald's. So, para sa team McDonald's. All one na sila, Ate Yana. Okay. Dahil dyan, all one na tayo kami, Gio. Dahil dyan, all one na tayo. Your time na daw. Sino gusto mag-proxy kay Gio? Bago naman si Gio, okay na naman. Ako rin, sit down ka naman dito. Ako rin eh. Matt, come here, Matt. No punishment, no punishment. Ayan. Later yun sa kanila yung punishment. Ayan, okay. Parehas na all one. Okay, back to your line, Gio. No punishment, okay? Ano punishment na? Okay, pakiko ulit yung Happy Meal Box na. Ay, Happy Meal Box. Yung cup. Okay, isang fall in line ulit. Ano yan? Stand up. Okay, for our second or third round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dribble exhibition, pass number 5. Dribble exhibition, pass number 2. 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 Number 2. Dribble exhibition, pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 4. Dribble exhibition, pass number 1. Dribble exhibition, pass number 1. Dribble exhibition, pass number 2. Dribble exhibition, pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 5. Dribble exhibition, pass number 4. Dribble exhibition, pass number 6. Dribble exhibition, pass number 5. Dribble exhibition, pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 4. Dribble exhibition, shoot the cup! Okay, so dahil dyan, 2 points para sa team Buwimis. So palakpakan po sa team Buwimis. Pakikuha po yung Happy Meal Box natin. Ayan, pakikuha po yung Happy Meal Box. Hanggang may gabi. Ayan, Gia, no punishment tayo, okay? So play lang tayo. No, it's okay. No punishment na. Okay, natanggalin na ni Kuya Rob. Mga mami lang ang may punishment natin. Yung mga kids natin mauupo. Okay? Okay po ba? Ready? Okay, ready. Okay, Gia, it's okay. 1, 2. Last one for our final round. Okay, last one to. Then after, final round. 3, 4. Pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 2. Dribble exhibition, pass number 1. Dribble exhibition, pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 6. Dribble exhibition, pass number 4. Dribble exhibition, pass number 5. Dribble exhibition, pass number 6. Dribble exhibition, pass number 1. Dribble exhibition, pass number 2. Dribble exhibition, pass number 4. Dribble exhibition, pass number 3. Dribble exhibition, pass number 5. Dribble exhibition, and shoot the number 2. Wait lang. Sabi, ito na nga agaw. Sabi ko, shoot the number 2, hindi shoot the cup, palit kay number 1. Ayan ha, nasa pagiging competitive. Okay, ready? And 1, 2. Dribble exhibition, pass number 6. Dribble exhibition, pass number 2. Dribble exhibition, and shoot the cup. Ganun pa silang dalawa. Okay, so 3 points pa sa team Creamies. So parang pa sa team Creamies.
Panalo!
Okay, and now kids, adults, for our last round, ibigay mo na ang mga cup ate sa kanila. Okay, for our last round po, this is a twist na po. Magkakaroon tayo ng twist. And kung sino po makakapag-shoot nito, sila na ang winner natin, okay? So, ang twist natin is dribble, exhibition, parang doon exhibition, spaghetti, bababa, ng bababa. Pass the number 2. Gio, pick. Dribble, exhibition, and 8. Pass the number 3. Dribble, exhibition, and Spaghetti, pababa, pababa ng pababa. Basta number 4. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and ocho, ocho. Basta number 5. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and spaghetti, pababa. Basta number 6. Ito talaga. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and spaghetti, pababa, and ocho, ocho. Kung makita lang ni Daddy yan, ako. Okay, one more. 3, 2, 1. Go! Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Basta number 3. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Spaghetti, pababa, pababa, lang pababa. Basta number 2. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and spaghetti, pababa, pababa, lang pababa. Basta number 1. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and ocho, ocho. Basta number 4. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Basta number 6. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Basta number 5. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and ocho, ocho. Basta number 4. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and spaghetti, pababa, pababa. Ano ang baba na nun? Basta number 6. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Spaghetti, pababa, pababa, pababa. Ay, iba. Basta number 1. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and spaghetti, pababa, pababa, pababa. Basta number 2. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and spaghetti, pababa, 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 pababa. Kumay na. Pababa, pababa. Basta number 3. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition, and ocho, ocho. Basta number 4. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Basta number 5. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, exhibition. Spaghetti, pababa, pababa, pababa. Shoot the clock! Okay! So dahil siya, napasarap sa spaghetti pababa. Palalo po ang team! Previous ng team! McDonald's sa palakpakan po team! Ayan. So dahil dyan wala silang punishment, bigyan mo na sila ng mga gift nila and gift prizes. And thank you so much for joining us. And Ate Yana, bibigay mo ng mga gifts sa inyo. Ayan. Very good lahat ng kids natin. Nagkika-operate, lahat ng adults. Nagkika-operate. Walang talent, okay? Ready na po ba? Ano to? May movie naman. Ano ba yun? Okay, continue. Once again. One more. starlight. Okay, once again, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po ay ano, Sky? It's your turn na, Kuya Swan. Isang malakas na palakpakan naman po kay Sky.
I'm tired of the way that things have been. The way that things have been. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one that said I'm the master of my seal. The master of my seal. I was born in the rain, I took my soul into the masses, but I'm alone for the good and the bad. Finish your mind, missing the body, the pain, deliver a message from the brain, speaking my message to the brain, seeing the beauty through the One more. The police down in the rain. Remember what's happening. Stands in the prayer to the ones who all the hate that you feel is 'cause you steer it to the door. You steer it to the door. I was choking in the crowd, you know, paper in the crowd. They were trying, look at the telephone, we're ready to hold the custom. Please blessed by the grace of the fire and the flame. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never when they rain down, rain down, light. One more time, one more time. Okay, once again, palakpakan naman kay Sky and everyone. Isang malakas na ng palakpakan sa mga kids natin na nag-perform ng kanilang mga talent. Ano, Ate?
O, eto na si Kiara muna kasi siya yung ready. O, sasayaw na siya ng selos.
Lakas ng loob mo, Kiara. Wait lang. Sino last one na ba si Kiara?
Rafael,
Dahil after nito, magpupusin na tayo sa ating awarding. Sino pa? Rafael?
ayaw niya. Nahihiya pa. Okay, once again, Kiara.
Ano mo ni Kiara?
Kuya Rob, pinasamahan mo siya, syempre. O, tingnan mo to si Kuya Rob. Okay na.
Ano to? One more. Ate na dito. Ira. Instant dancing balloon. Try ko muna lang siya, no? Ay, si Isabel, baka gusto mong join ni Isabel. Baka ni Isabel. Baka ni Silas, dali.
Ayan,
Kailan doon ka sa gitna? Kailan doon ka sa
Hey,
gitna?
hey, 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 hey. Hanggang si Isabel.
Ang ginagaya niyo si Ate Kyra. Yan.
Go! Doon si Alex, tulog. Mag-away din naman. Okay, ayan, syempre naman, pala naman po kayo.
Congratulations, Kuya Scar. Sila naman ay sa Felicity Kyra Calamba. Congratulations, Kyra. Dito kami pumapansin si Kuya Robin. Congratulations. So, ayun din ka daw. Okay. Congratulations, Kyra. Si Kiara Elise Calamba. Congratulations, Bebe. Ayan. Certificate of completion is a certificate that you learn your skills, you made your friends, gain new knowledge, successfully complete the 2024 McDonald's workshop. So thank you so much, Kiara. And congratulations. Okay, so next natin Princess Sky Calamba. Nasa na si Ate Kylie? Congratulations, Ate Kylie. Osman. Congratulations. Sino naman ay si Keisha Dayan Lubino.
Kay, akin na yan.
Congratulations, Keisha.
Akin na baka masira.
Ayan. Okay naman. Congratulations.
Bawal.
Pinakita mo yung video ng challenge ka, sabi ko, o sana lang
Okay lang yun. Sarap yan, Kiara.
Kuya Rafa and Ate Kylie. Man, don't forget to say thank you, Kuya Gio, and Kuya Gian, Kuya Sky,
Ashley, bumalik kayo
Ate
next year, ha?
Ashley.
Balik kayo next year.
Meron na ba Ate Atalia?
Ayan, syempre naman, nandito na si Alex. Na hindi susunod kay Kuya Ron na walang
Get
wait
ka na, get ka
Sino
na.
ba si Ate Tanya.
Yan, si Tanya Lano. China-charge sa bahay ng 100% pagdating sa stall. 60% ang ano, social battery daw.
O si Kuya Alex na, nandiyan na.
And syempre naman si Mark.
Yung mga okay, pero si yung anak ng Chalan.
Ang anak ay nandyan.
Meron ba kung hindi?
Wow! O, saan ka kayo na doon?
Si Liam ang hindi kumanta ng papa.
Sino bang wala pa? Ay, si Loli.
Okay, mo na yung gift. At kay later na open, guys.
Yan, congratulations.
Congratulations. Di man?
Later na yung i-open,
Very
ha?
good always. And si ano, si Dito.
Oo, meron mga kalso ngayon.
O, pakita nyo lahat.
Pero mas gusto ko mag-drawing si Kiara. Ang drawing ni Kiara. Kuya Ron!
Kiara,
Ang sabihin niya,
one, two. Pag ganon. Pag ganon mo, kapit. Angat mo. Kiara, 1, 2, 3. What did you guys got? Ano nakuha nyo? Patingin? Sky, patingin? Ikaw, Kiara, what's that? Tingin? Wow! O, kukunin. Wait ka lang. Yay! Kyra, what did you got?